In a heart-pounding scene, police chase a reckless motorcycle weaving through traffic, while another trooper tirelessly pursues a Nissan Maxima that keeps slipping away. The adrenaline is palpable as they fight to uphold the law. On July 29, 2024, Trooper Bratton observed a maroon Suzuki Hayabusa motorcycle navigating through traffic at a high rate of speed. Noticing the absence of a license plate, he promptly initiated a pursuit.
On the wrong way, 885 Victor George, 885 VVG,
The pursuit rapidly intensified as the motorcycle accelerated beyond 120 miles per hour, skillfully weaving through traffic and utilizing the shoulder to overtake other vehicles. Despite Trooper Bratton's determined efforts, his patrol vehicle experienced mechanical issues, resulting in a loss of visual contact with the suspect and necessitating the cancellation of the pursuit. On October 6, 2024, Trooper Stephen Roberts observed a Nissan Maxima exceeding the speed limit and initiated a traffic stop. However, as he exited his vehicle, the suspect fled the scene.
D4, Varsity 1037.
10-4, that's correct, D4.
I'm sure you're going to try to get off now. See, he's in and out of traffic. He's over 100 mile an hour. He's going straight. He's past Mound City.
Stay on out, please.
He's coming around the curve, fixing to come in front of the single.
Despite Trooper Roberts' best efforts, the Maxima successfully evaded capture, raising questions about the challenges officers face in apprehending such vehicles. The Nissan Maxima, renowned for its power and speed, can accelerate rapidly, making it difficult for even the most highly trained officers to close the distance. On October 3, 2024, a reckless motorcycle rider attempted to outsmart the Arkansas State Police, engaging in dangerous maneuvers on the highway to taunt the troopers. rider skillfully weaved in and out of traffic, trying to evade capture while reaching dangerously high speeds. Chase took a dramatic turn when the rider lost control and crashed his motorcycle. Determined to escape, the suspect fled on foot, but Trooper Tree Davis was in close pursuit. After a brief foot chase, the trooper successfully apprehended him.
Ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got no. Y'all come on ahead of gun. I ain't got no goddamn gun. Got the right to me. I ain't got no gun. Y'all say I had a gun. Shut up. I ain't got no gun. Check his heart. Just check his heart. Y'all say I had a gun. I ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got shit, brother. I ain't got shit on me, brother. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got nothing.
On October 6, 2024, a trooper's dash cam recorded an intense pursuit as a second trooper chased a speeding Nissan Maxima.
We're passing the 280 right now. Passing 280 westbound. I don't get anyone close. You come around the corner and think you come across the casino. he just got off at England. Taking England out. Nissan Maxima, gray, dark gray, Nissan Maxima, dark painted windows. Are you coming back from me?
Despite the high-speed chase, the Maxima skillfully evaded capture, highlighting the challenges law enforcement faces when pursuing high-performance vehicles like this one.
So you get back on eastbound, tell you right behind him.
Back on eastbound.
How long you go for?
Before that vehicle mostly armed.
Kind of in traffic, I'm trying to get this point out. Alright, we're 280 eastbound.
280 eastbound. That vehicle is matching the description of a shooting in Marion. Possible armed.
Yeah, if you can get close enough here, they can get in there.
The dashcam footage captures the adrenaline-pumping moments of the chase, as officers attempted to close the gap, ultimately losing sight of the suspect.
How close are you, Tom? That's the car match the description of the shooting, right? What about D2, please? 45 minutes is well across the racetrack.